Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about talent management. So the topics that we are going to cover is what is talent management and what is the goal of talent management and what are the steps involved in talent management and what are the talent management initiatives and what are the benefits to organizations as well as employees and the steps to build an effective strategy management. So, and also we will touch upon latest technologies like big data and analytics. So friends, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and like the video and share the video, and also press bell icon if you want to watch my latest videos. So let us get into the topic. So let's look at what is talent management is all about. So talent management is a part of HR processes to attract, onboard, develop, motivate, and retain high performing employees. So talent management is aimed at improving business performance through practices that make employees more productive. So let's look into the further details. So what is the goal of talent management? So what is the goal? So the primary purpose of talent management is to create a motivated workforce who will stay with your company in the long run, which is very important to get maximum benefits out of the employees that you are recruiting for your organization. So what are the steps involved in this process? So first step is planning, right? So what type of talent is required and what kind of skill set, what is the job description, which is very important because you need to hire right people for the right job. And then next step is how to attract the talent for your company. So most skilled people may not be interested in getting into all the companies. So you should have various attractive mechanisms to attract talent into your organization. And also you can use job portals like Naukri, TimesJob, LinkedIn. Also you can use internal referral scheme where you can give uh, kind of amount to your employees who are going to refer their colleagues or friends in other companies, right? So and then next step is once you get the candidates list, then you need to select from the list, right? So you will conduct maybe a written test. It depends on the type of requirement you have in the company. We may need to adapt. If you are recruiting freshers, maybe you need to go for written test also. And if you are going for experienced people, maybe you can go for interview process, or you can sometimes conduct a practical test as well, right? And also if you think the communication skill is more important, maybe you can conduct some group discussions as well. So you will have several methods to select the candidates so that you are selecting the right candidate. So unless you spend enough time in this selection process, you will not get right people for your organization. So what is the next step? Once you select and onboard the people, so then you need to involve in developing those people. So you may not get candidates with the complete 100% skill set requirement that you have. So always you will have some gaps. So you need to make sure that those gaps are filled properly so that these candidates whom you have recruited can be utilized very effectively for your organization. And also it is useful for future engagements, right? So then retaining is also another aspect where you need to make sure that these people are retained. The talent is retained. So otherwise you are investing a lot of money in above steps, and then if you are not able to retain these people, then it will have a huge impact on your revenues. So how do you retain people? So you need to make sure that the people are happy, and so you may need to have some retaining strategies, like for example, which are normal things like promotion and increments, and also providing opportunities for growth, which is very important. So always increments and promotions are not just enough for the people to retain the best talent. So you need to give them opportunities for growth, right? And then uh, involve them in the decision making process. So they should feel that they are part of your organization, so that you will be able to retain those people. And also try to teach them new job skills and show them transitioning from current position to the next level, right? So if you show them that path, how they can improve themselves in the organization, that will definitely help retaining the best talent. So next, talent management initiatives which helps in success of the organization. So what are those initiatives? So maintaining individual identity, recognition and reward. This is very important. Unless you reward and recognize people for their best talent, and unless you motivate them, you will not be able to get any success. And also providing best opportunities for the candidates. Also, role design is very important, because unless you have a specific role, and make sure that the role is actually aligned with the job description, the kind of job that they are going to do in your organization. So the role design is very important. And then job rotation is also very important. If you look at some of the companies like Apple, every 2 years they rotate the people from one kind of job to another job, right? So that will help people in getting knowledge about various aspects of the business, and also helps the organization in the growth. And then training and development is also very important. So we need to make sure that the continuous training and developing of the people is done in the organization, which will help in getting success. And also succession planning is also very important. Flexibility, relationship management, and then motivating the team. So these are the various talent management initiatives which helps success of the organization. Then what is the benefit of talent management for organizations? So it will obviously accomplish the vision of the organization, because you are going to utilize the people in effective way to make sure that they are reaching the goal of the or vision of the organization. And then you can retain the best talent. This is another advantage. And also strengthens companies human capital structure. Succeed over competitors, right? So you can get success over competitors only when you have a talented people, and when you are able to manage them and retain them in your organization. Builds up company's reputation. So these are all the outcomes of having best talent management initiatives or processes in your organization. Also it helps in better decision making and efficient and effective performance. So these are the benefits or results of having best talent management processes. And then what are the benefits of talent management to employees? So employees will have job satisfaction, because you are providing best policies, practices in your organization, so that they will get job satisfaction. And also motivation, people get motivated to do better job, and they are also enhancing their personal skills that will help themselves as well as organization. And also feeling of belongingness, you need to make sure that you are involving them all decision making processes, then they feel that belongingness and they can do better job. And also long term existence in the company, so you can have people in the long term. So boost of confidence, right? It will definitely boost confidence in the employees, and quality add-ons to employee experience. So these are all the benefits of having talent management, best talent management processes for the employees. So what are the steps to build an effective talent management strategy? Once you go back to and review all the details that we have discussed, so the first thing is identifying the talent needs, what kind of needs we have, and also identifying the existing talent gaps. So this is also very important, and you need to continuously give training and fill the gaps, and design recruitment and hiring plans. This is very, very important to get the right people for the right job. And then last thing is develop talent. So we need to make sure that we are developing these people so that they are helpful for the organization vision. So finally, let us look at how this latest technologies that are big data and analytics playing a key role in talent management practices for HR. So talent management insights based on big data and analytics play a huge difference on how business operates. Workforce manpower analytics provides organizational agility for survival and growth. So major benefits, if you look at using whoever is using big data and analytics, the major benefits are you can recruit the best talent. So how do you recruit the best talents? Since most organizations have many competitors, it can be a real challenge to attract the most talented professionals. So through big data and analytics, HR can filter through thousands of profiles and narrow down their search to the most promising prospects. So, without the use of analytics and big data, recruiting top talent would be a far more inefficient and time consuming process. And the next thing is prioritize recruitment channels. So these days, organizations use a variety of recruitment channels to fill vacant positions. Taking advantage of big data and analytics can reveal which recruitment channels are delivering results and which ones aren't very effective. So, if an organization finds they are having more success with internal recruitment rather than online job portals, they may prioritize internal recruitment efforts over external initiatives. So this big data and analytics helps in prioritizing the recruitment channels. So next, detect employee health and injuries. So the reality is that if many employees face health issues and injuries, an organization will be less productive and less profitable. So here the big data and analytics allows HR managers to detect and properly prepare for common health issues in their organizations. For example, it may reveal that employees are often sick between November and January, prompting the hiring of additional temporary staff during this period. So then improve training. So training can be an expensive and time consuming part of the hiring process. So big data and analytics gives organizations the opportunity to measure how effective a potential training initiative, which can reduce the risk of training programs that lead to poor employee retention. Then enhance employee motivation and engagement, which is more important for any organization. So through big data and analytics, organizations can identify and reward top performers. So through data governance solutions, violations of policies or standards can be identified and prompt action can be taken to resolve these issues. So in addition, big data can reveal if employees are facing performance problems and in need of any additional training. And then increase retention. So hiring the right employees is one aspect of HR, but getting them to stay in a whole new uh, is a new ball game, right? So by using big data and analytics, HR managers can quickly figure out what causes employees to leave and implement programs to increase retention by utilizing the analysis made using the data collected. So while recruiting and training a new employee is expensive, losing an employee can cost even more for the organization, right? So then forecast the future. So through big data and analytics, organizations can view HR patterns and trends and use that information to make predictions about the future. So, future forecasting provides HR managers the chance to improve their long term HR strategy and avoid issues with hiring, retention, and performance down the road. So, then, so if you look at this one which we have skipped, enhancing business performance. So, as a growing number of businesses are applying analytics for recruiting and retention, they are more able to see a clear link between talent and leadership pipelines, cost reduction, and efficiency gains. So, considering a study by Deloitte, companies that leverage talent analytics or people analytics to support business decisions perceive an 85% higher 3-year average profit than their counterparts. So, moreover, people analytics is also being applied to a broad array of business. So, these are the best advantages and practices that most organizations are following to get maximum benefit using big data and analytics. So, friends, this is all about talent management. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to the channel, like and share with your friends, whoever you think they will get benefited with this video, and also press bell icon if you want to watch my latest videos. Thank you. See you next time.